Changing your payout method on Kayak is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Kayak website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Payment Methods or Payout Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Add or edit payout method. Here you can add a new payout method or edit an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter your new payment details, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, be sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your new payment method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Kayak. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kayak's customer support for assistance.